Even at this age, my mother tends to keep herself very busy. With her culinary foundation and recordings, আমাদের সঙ্গে বের হওয়ার সময়ই তার হয় না. However, the other day, Mamuni took us to Tarka in Bonani for dinner. As you can see, the food looks absolutely marvelous. My wife and I got ourselves a kebab platter. And my mother, by the way, has been a vegetarian for almost 3 decades. The paneer tikka deserves a special mention, by the way. Alhamdulillah, we had a good time and we ended with kulfi. পরদিন পত্রিকায় আমার একটা রাজনৈতিক বিশ্লেষণ ছাপা হয়. And we sort of had a slow day at home with cinnamon tea. Little did anybody expect the earthquake. ভূমিকম্পের সময় I was at the 3rd floor of SKS Tower in a meeting, and I've never felt anything like that before. I rushed home and alhamdulillah, everyone was well. গতকাল we had the privilege to host. পিলখানা শহীদ সন্তানেরা বাসায় এসেছিল, যদিও অনেকে বিভিন্ন ব্যস্ততার কারণে আর আসতে পারেনি. Even though I do not have siblings, but these guys mean no less to me. ওদের বেশিরভাগের থেকে বয়সে একটু বড় হওয়াতে আমি চেষ্টা করি সকলকে আগলে রাখতে. And that is Adina from our last vlog. In spite of our experiences and sorrows, we always find a reason to laugh all together. আমাদের অনেকক্ষণ আড্ডা হলো, and inshallah I will get back with another vlog very soon. Bye bye. Oh, and to my surprise, everyone wanted to be a part of my vlog.